I want to talk to you guys today about some back capacitance. What does that mean? It basically means that I'm putting capacitors on the back side of a circuit in order to make it equal in resonance. We have two Tesla coils here. This is a number 1 and number 2, so it's a driving circuit. This right here is just a number 2 coil. I got a wire connected to it. Nothing else attached to it. Now this resonates right around 275. The frequency of this coil right here is over 300. That's in kilohertz. Now, what I need to do is bring down the frequency of this to match this. But I want to pull energy out of the back side of it. So two things are needed. I need a draw. I need something to pull that energy from it. And I need to be able to lower the frequency of this at the same time. Now, these capacitors right here, I'd like to charge while I'm doing that. So, to set this up, I'm going to put this light bulb, nothing attached to it. Just going to put it down the center here. Just in there so I know that it lights up. That's all that I'm doing. No confusion here. Let's turn this on. We're going to put it on at about 15 volts. Now, I can see that I have breakout here. I have zero energy coming out of here. I am not in resonance whatsoever. Does it light up here? Well, yes it does. So our coil is active for sure. We have no resonance here. This is a lesson for people who don't understand body capacitance. When I touch this wire, this is all I'm doing, I now put body capacitance into this and equal the circuit out. But I don't want to stand here and hold this thing the whole time. How do I get this to work? Well, this right here is a simple circuit, right? Ground. Basically a plug, goes into a wire, goes to a little connector, right? Not a big deal. I touch it, this thing turns on, we know that's going on. We hook this up, I let it go. A little bit of energy in there, likes it. Plug it in. Now we have energy pulling through the entire thing. Now I don't have to touch it, but I still wanted to charge my capacitors. We'll detach it, comes off, right? Now I'm just simply going to put these in and connect them. And you'll see it going on and off because my body's completing the circuit. Like a maze. What I have right here is just a little LED. I'm sure you probably can't see it. But I'm going to show you the energies going through the capacitors now. Connected in the LED to the end, right? Nothing's going on. Now I grab the other side of the LED. It comes on. So I know I'm drawing the energy through it. Let's complete the circuit. Now lights on. Lights on. It's now completed the circuit. I have now pulled enough energy through it in order to equal the value here to the value here. And the light comes on. This is how you pull energy out of the backside of a wireless circuit. Now, there's a lot of people out there would say, you're just connected to the ground of your wall circuit. That all the energy comes from the electrons from all of the wires that are in your walls, in your house, right? That'd be the number one thing someone would tell me. That as soon as you disconnect that, you have absolutely nothing. Well, okay. Let me prove you wrong right now. Because, yes, I did plug it in here to this surge bar. What I didn't tell you is the surge bar goes to absolutely nothing. I literally equaled the mass of a ground inside the surge bar. Whatever in there is making the circuit work. There's no electrons from the grounding of the wires in my wall. I'm not pulling energy from them at all. I'm simply completing the circuit. I understand that I want capacitance out. I put it in there. I'm drawing the energy through it. We are not resonant between these two coils, even though they're the same size, because this has a number 1 coil and a number 2 coil, and as they're in oscillation, the resonant frequency is lower than the frequency of this coil. I'm balancing them out. As you can see, the light's still on. And we have no connection, no electron from the wall, nothing. There's no trick here. This is a simple understanding of how to pull energy through a circuit. We see the light bulb. We're drawing the energy through it. We know that it works. Now, is there a ton of energy? Probably not. Enough to light a light bulb, enough to do a few things because we don't have a huge capacitor bank attached to this. But over time, will it draw enough energy to fill that capacitor bank? Well, yeah, it will. This is the understanding of wireless power. Now you know how to pull energy out of the backside of it. I find it absolutely fascinating that it works this way. Can I explain all of it? Probably not. Do I know how to put it into a circuit and make it work? Yeah, absolutely I do. I know how to make this thing work. As soon as you touched it, your body capacitance did it. Pretty interesting circuit. Hopefully you guys learned something today. It's a pretty interesting thing. I love it, the fact that none of this stuff is grounded except for the amount of capacitance and the stuff that's whatever's in that surge protector is going. It makes this whole thing work. Anyway, hope you guys learned something today. Have yourself a great day.
The old man builds is broken in the head. People not seeing reality has put them in the red. Where conscious and spirituality restricted from the norm and replaced with the ignorance of basic magnetic form. The geometry of God keeps running through his head. That's what makes old man builds broken in the head. The old man builds. The old man builds. Spheres of destiny are spinning in his mind, making him travel back and forth in time, battling the establishment for just a little recognition. Has him forcing the world to understand his premonition. That world will have all the technology in the end, even if it means his life will fail to extend. The old man builds. The old man builds. The old man builds. The old man builds. Fears of destiny are spinning in his mind, making him travel back and forth in time, battling the establishment for just a little recognition. Has him forcing the world to understand his premonition. That world will have all the technology in the end, even if it means his life will fail to extend. The old man builds. The old man builds. The old man builds. The old man builds. Of destiny are spinning in his mind, making him travel back and forth in time, battling the establishment for just a little recognition. Has him forcing the world to understand his premonition. That world will have all the technology in the end, even if it means his life will fail to extend. The old man builds.